Hi guys, Dr. Shilpa Parikh here at Vitality Chiropractic and Wellness. Thank you so much for joining us on our YouTube channel. I had a patient ask me today about ice and heat and why they get conflicting information from their providers about whether they should apply ice or heat. So if you have an injury or if you're experiencing pain or discomfort, which should you choose? The answer is not so simple, my friends. It depends. Now, if you're having inflammation, and if you think about what happens to your body when you have inflammation, inflammation produces heat. So if you're applying heat, like a heating pad or taking a hot shower, going into a sauna or something, when you're already having quite a bit of inflammation, it's probably not the best thing for you. The other thing that could be happening is if you're having a lot of tightness, your muscles could be spasming to protect your spine and your discs that are in between the vertebrae themselves. So applying heat might give you a false sense of security, feeling like you can move and twist and turn in different directions, just like sometimes medication can do that. So I would recommend, whenever in doubt, always use ice. Now, how do you know that heat is appropriate, and are there times when you can use heat? The answer is yes. If you know for sure that you are not suffering from a disc herniation, that you are not at risk for injuring the area that you're applying the heat to, that you're not pregnant, and there aren't any other contraindications, yes, heat can be helpful as well. The other thing I do want to talk about as it relates to heat is going to have to do with heat in your body. So if you're experiencing a condition like migraines, for example, those are caused by excess heat. In East Indian medicine and even in traditional Chinese medicine, there's this component of excess heat in the body that gets accounted for during treatment, which I think is really important. So in the case of, for example, headache induced by, for example, drinking or hormonal fluctuations, things like that, or even things like MSG or some type of a substance that's artificial, that's an excitatory neurotoxin that can send your brain into a whole different series of chemical reactions. You typically want to avoid heat or any foods that are considered hot. These would be spicy foods, acidic foods, things like that. So I will be posting a video on excess heat in the body and menstrual migraines as well. I know that's one that people have been requesting. It's just been really hectic and crazy these past few weeks. My gosh, a lot of Italians needing care. So we're obviously prioritizing them first. But we appreciate your support and thank you so much for joining our YouTube channel. We hope that the information about ice and heat as it relates to your health is helpful, and that we can help prevent injury and help you stay happier, healthier, and safer. Thank you so much.